Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about possible contact lens complication and its management. Wearing contact lenses is a reasonable method of attaining good vision as an alternative to glasses. However, wearing contact lenses is not without risks. The following conditions are possible complications of contact lens wear. Number 1. Corneal abrasion. This is a scratch on the surface of our cornea resulting from a poorly fitting contact lens, foreign material under the contact lens or overwear. The treatment is include antibiotics and possible patching of our eye. Infection may result from this condition. Here, after wearing contact lenses, we all take care ourselves because it may be create some complications of our eyes like corneal abrasion. Here, if we are fitting contact lens wrongly or any foreign particles are there under the contact lens or over the contact lens, then scratch will come easily on the surface of cornea. Here the treatment is we will take antibiotic eye drop or eye ointment and patching the eye for some days. Next, number 2, allergic reaction. In this condition, our eye becomes red and irritated in response to the cleaning or storage solution. It is most often seen with soft contact lenses and is usually a reaction to the preservatives in our solution. The treatment is includes changing to a different solution or storage method as directed by our eye care professionals. Here, if we are use expiry solution or we are use the storage old solution which is already in the contact lens container and we don't change it every day, in that case our eye become red, irritated, burning sensation, etc. The management is we will change the solution every day and follow the instruction directed by the practitioner. Next, number 3, neovascularization. When the eye has a lack of oxygen to the surface, blood vessels may grow into our cornea. This is rare with new highly oxygenated materials. Our practitioner will look for this at every visit. Here, for those patients who are using contact lens for a long time, more than 7 to 8 hours a day, in that case maybe some blood vessels grow into our cornea. Here, it will happen very rare and we can use silicone hydrogel contact lens for better oxygen provide to the cornea. Next, number 4, GPC, giant papillary conjunctivitis. In this case, there is itching, lens intolerance and redness while wearing our contact lens. The treatment is include discontinuing contact lens wear for a period of time, change lens and change solution and application of lid hygiene. Here, contact lens material are not suitable for our eyes sometimes. In this case, maybe there is some itching, redness or conjunctivitis, etc. So, in that case, immediately we will remove the contact lens and change the contact lens and solution and take treatment for conjunctivitis, and we will wash our eyelid by Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo with warm water and cotton. Next, number 5, corneal ulcer. This is the most severe complication of contact lens wear. In this condition, trauma or contamination means to make something less pure or make it poisonous to our cornea from the contact lens, result in an infection. This may require hospitalization for treatment and can lead to extensive corneal scarring. Corneal transplant surgery may be required to regain good vision. Although very rare, it is possible that we could lose an eye from a severe corneal ulcer. Here, a corneal ulcer is a medical emergency. Without treatment, it might spread to the rest of our eyes, and we could lose some or all of our eyesight in a short time. We can also get a hole in our cornea, scarring cataracts or glaucoma. With treatment, most corneal ulcers get better in 2 or 3 weeks. There are wide variety of causes or corneal ulcers, including infection and chemical trauma, corneal drying and exposure, and contact lens overwear and misuse. Corneal ulcers are a serious problem and may result in loss of vision or blindness. Thank you.